Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to kind of just patch up these eyebrows a little bit. I've been wanting to get a little bit darker to, I don't know why, but I just really want to. So I got this Julienne Lash and Brow Dye kit, permanent color, in the color Midnight Black. I thought it was brown, but I accidentally took Midnight Black, so we'll see how this turns out. It does keep a warning, so please be cautious, keep it away from children, read the safety instructions, and it contains that thing. No idea what that is. So in the box they say that you have one precision eyebrow I want. You have a mixing bowl, you have a tube, an eyelash and brow tint mate, whatever that is. Oh, brow tint mate is something else. One bottle cream developer and 16 protective tint pads. Great. So they say that this is a permanent water-resistant tint that amplifies the appearance of your lashes and defines your brows the easy, precise way. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Okay, so I'll open this right up. Inside. I'm just going to take it out. Okay, so there you have the instructions over here. The brush, they have the lash and brow dye and the cream developer, and then this looks like it's the mixing bowl. Oh yeah, I assume that is the mixing bowl. There's 16 protective tint pads. You're going to start by cleaning the eyelashes or the eyebrows with a non-oily cleanser to remove all the natural oils as well as any makeup on your face. Okay, so I decided to go with a mineral water to remove my makeup, cleanse my face, just with a plain cotton pad. Run through with that. I'm using the Garnier Skin Active Mineral. Why do I keep saying that? Micellar. Don't even know if I was saying that. Micellar cleaning cleansing water. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoop that up on the cotton pad. Then go around that all. Natural eyebrow color. Please excuse my lace. I was doing a little bit of creative things. I put petroleum jelly oil. Thick cream around the eyebrows and on the upper eyelids with a cotton bud. Why? Maybe it's just to like protect my skin. Got two earbuds over here and a little bit, not a lot, of petroleum jelly to apply it around the eyebrows and on the upper eyelids. Avoid the petroleum jelly to touch either your eyebrows or your eyelashes. Okay, so I'm going to try that. Squeeze 1 centimeter of dye into the small bowl and add equal parts of tint cream and cream developer until a creamy consistency is reached. Then you mix it well using the enclosed precision I want. and stir into a smooth paste. First you gotta punch a hole in, so I'm gonna open it up and then just pierce a hole. Oh my gosh, it always poops out then. This is very dark. So I'm gonna put 1 centimeter in here. So it's about that much. I think that's too much though. I'll take the green developer. I think that's too much as well. So then it looks like this. Then you're gonna just take this precision wand and just mix it all together. So you have a nice consistency. So there we have a very nice consistency. And then you're going to apply the tint to the eyebrows and leave it on for about 45 to 60 seconds. Okay. There we go. No turning back now. This is actually really quite easy to apply with this one. Oh. Just make sure that you got, oh my goodness, this is so dark. I just spit all over my mirror. I just do 45 seconds because I don't want it to be on too long. Set time, we want to do 45 seconds. We're going to do a countdown from 45 seconds. Take the same one that I cleaned off the makeup with, and then I'm just gonna wipe it off. That is very dark. That is hella dark. It goes so fast. Clean in between. Voila, I colored my eyebrows. Now for the lashes, okay? I forgot to put the jelly back onto my eyelid because I've taken it off now. So I'm just going to apply it again all over my eyelid, avoiding my eyelashes. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh! Then you take some of these protective pads. So I'm just going to take 2, 1 for each eye. Just place them underneath the lash. Like this. So it's just kind of like protecting your skin. Can you see what it's doing to my eyes? You apply the mixture to the lashes using the precision wand in the same manner as you would apply mascara. Okay, so that's quite easy. And just like you would apply mascara, we are then going to apply this. Okay, so this is oh my gosh, it's in my eye. It is inside my eye. That hurts. It's not good in the sides. It's in. in this other eye. It burns so much. Every time I open my eye, it like just goes in there. Oh my gosh. Don't get it into your eye. It really burns a lot. Maybe you can see. So I'm just like gonna take a pad, just take it quick. Oh my gosh. It really burns so much. I did it again. No. I don't know why I did that. I just want to like take my eyeball out and squeeze it all out. Okay, it's out now. We can continue. Had my eye. So I'm just gonna like take a cotton pad and oh, I saw that worked. That actually worked. Beauty is pain. Beauty is pain. So I'm just gonna keep it on. They say don't exceed 15 minutes. I want them to be really dark, so I'm gonna leave them on for 15 minutes. I'll see you guys in 15 minutes. Or 5. It's so bad. Okay, so I waited a while now. Now it's time to take them off. This is what I look like. At the moment. This is not getting off. So my eyes teared a hell of a lot. And it burned a hell of a lot. And it's really so I really would recommend when you use this, try to be really careful with it, as you really don't want this to get into your eyes. For like the first 10 minutes I couldn't even open up my eyes. It burned so much. Also it stained my face, which is great. Okay, so but it's getting off, so I'll just clean it off. So I'm just gonna wipe it off with some micellar water. So now I'm just gonna bring your babies in up close so you can see the final result. I can't see like quite a bit of the result. Like usually you wouldn't even see my eyelashes. They're so light. Okay, so this is the finished look. As you can see, my eyebrows are quite dark, and as well as my eyelashes, you can see that they did tint a lot. I did leave them on for the maximum amount of time, which is 15 minutes, and I have to say I'm quite impressed. I was warned beforehand of the burning if it gets into your eye, so I did know that if it gets into my eye, it is going to burn a lot. But you know, beauty is pain. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm really impressed by this. I would definitely recommend it. I would say just to perhaps be a bit more careful, especially with the lashes, to try to not get it into your eyes because it really burns a lot, especially especially like my left eye is still burning, it still has like a bit of a burning sensation. So I would definitely recommend being a little bit more careful and rather work from the top of the lash than trying to get it as close to the eyelid as possible from the bottom, because then it's so easy to just like stick the wand into your eye and then it's game over. Okay, so I'm really happy with the product. I would definitely recommend. This is Julienne Lash and Brow Dye Kit. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who wants to try an at-home brow and lash dye. I'm really impressed with my lashes because now I can wake up in the morning and if I don't feel like putting on any mascara, I can go out like this. So then it doesn't seem like I'm going to suck out your soul because I don't have any eyelashes. Okay. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll definitely see you in the next video. I love you. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one.